In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a tour and travel website using the WP Travel Engine for 2025. First, let's get started by installing the WP Travel Engine plugin. To do this, navigate to your WordPress dashboard and then go to Plugins and select Add New. In the search bar, type in WP Travel Engine. Once you find it, click Install Now and then Activate. This plugin is excellent for managing trips and bookings and will form the backbone of your travel website. Now that we have the plugin installed, it's time to choose a travel theme that suits your website's vision. Head over to Appearance and then Themes. Click on Add New. In the search field, enter keywords like Travel or WP Travel Engine compatible to find a theme that works seamlessly with the plugin. Once you spot the perfect theme, click Install and then activate it. A good theme will not only make your site look professional, but also ensure it functions smoothly for your visitors. With our theme in place, let's create our first trip. Head to the WP Travel Engine menu and select Trips, then click on Add New. Here, you can add all the exciting details about the trip. Start with a captivating trip title that grabs attention. Next, input the price, duration, itinerary, and don't forget to upload stunning images. These elements are crucial for enticing potential travelers. Once you're satisfied without the details, hit Publish to make the trip available on your site. Moving on, let's set up the booking and payment systems. This step ensures that your clients can book their adventures and pay effortlessly. Go back to the WP Travel Engine in your dashboard, navigate to Settings, and select Payment. You have the option to enable PayPal or Stripe as your payment gateway. Enter your credentials to link your account, then click Save Settings. This will ensure that transactions are processed efficiently and securely. An essential feature of any travel site is the booking bar, which allows users to search for trips directly from the homepage. To add this, edit your homepage and insert the shortcode WP Travel Engine Search. Don't forget to update the page afterward to make sure the booking bar is live and functioning. Now let's organize the layout of your website by adding main menu items. In the dashboard, go to Appearance, then Menus. Here you can add pages like Home, Destinations, Trips, and Contact to your navigation menu. This will help visitors easily explore different sections of your website. Finally, it's vital to test your site to ensure everything runs smoothly. Visit your homepage, try searching for a trip, and go through the booking process by clicking Book Now. Make any necessary adjustments based on your experience. And there you have it. Your travel website is ready to showcase amazing trips and help users book their next adventure quickly and securely. Thank you for watching, and happy website building.